Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy from StarPets with Revolut. Now, what I need you to do is just log in here to StarPets on the website, starpets.pw, and I am currently logged in. So what I want you to do is just come here and select the items you want, add it to your cart. So let's say, for example, I want this one, Patchy Bear. Click on this icon to add it to your cart, right? So come here, have different prices. I'll add this one to my cart. There you go. Once it has been added, you can click here on in cart or on this icon right here. Then you can click on buy all, okay? And it'll tell us that we don't have enough funds, so we need to top up, okay? So click on top up. Here's your balance here. And there's different options, right? But if you want to pay with Revolut, what you do is you choose this one, Visa, World Cards, MasterCard, this one, the card option basically. You choose that, and then you choose your top up amount. I'll do right here, let's say $10. Okay, you'll see how much you'll be paying. Accept the agreement, then click on top up balance, right? And then we are redirected right here. And what you need to do is enter your card details. So you enter the card details that are on your Revolut card. So whether it's a physical Revolut card or a virtual card, basically have the card number, holder name, expiration date, and CVV code, your email as well, and then hit continue. Really that easy, and you'll be able to pay for it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.